In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check Twitter messages. Even though the platform is now called X, a lot of people still refer to it as Twitter. And the process for checking your messages or direct messages is very straightforward once you know where everything is. I'll walk you through it slowly so you can follow along on your own screen. First, open your web browser and go to the X Home dashboard. You can do this by typing the main X website address into your browser and signing into your account if you aren't already logged in. Once you're signed in, you should land on your home feed. This is the page where you normally see posts from people you follow, trends, and recommendations. On this home dashboard, look over to the left-hand side of the screen. This is your main navigation column. Here you'll see options like Home, Explore, Notifications, and others, depending on your account and any features you use. What you want to find is the option labeled Chat. This is where your private messages are stored. Go ahead and click on Chat in that left-hand column. When you do this, the screen will change to the messaging view. The layout might look slightly different depending on your device or screen size, but generally, you'll see your conversations appear in a panel. Now, focus on the inbox area, which is usually on the left side of the messaging screen. This inbox is a list of all your existing message threads. Each entry in the list will usually show the name or handle of the other person or group, a small preview of the latest message, and a timestamp showing when it was last updated. New or unread messages are often highlighted or shown with a small indicator so they stand out. From here, checking your Twitter messages is as simple as clicking on any conversation in that inbox list. When you click on one, the full chat history with that person or group will open to the right. You can scroll up to see older messages or stay at the bottom to read the most recent ones. If you want to reply, just type into the message box at the bottom of the conversation. That's all you need to do to access and review your Twitter messages. Go to your X Home dashboard, click on Chat in the left-hand column, and then look to the inbox on the left to see and open your conversations.